House hunting in a hot housing market can be tricky, but not if you know what you're doing. Welcome back. I'm Greg Dewar, broker and owner of Dewar Realty, and today I'll be sharing some tips and tricks on house hunting in a hot housing market. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe. You know you wanna. Here in Cambridge, Ontario, real estate is in high demand. So I'm gonna share a few tips that may be helpful if you're looking to buy a home in this region or any other hot housing market. One of the first steps you should take is to get pre-qualified for your mortgage. This helps you determine how much house you can afford, which will help narrow the scope of your search. And as a bonus, a pre-qualification letter can also be provided to the seller to strengthen your offer and allows you to make a strong offer when you're competing, ideally with no financing condition. Hire an experienced local realtor. The next step you should take is to hire a very experienced and reputable realtor in the area you want to buy a home. In this market, you cannot afford mistakes or missteps from your realtor, and you need a person who is very knowledgeable about the area and can properly represent you throughout the home buying process. Be competitive and act quickly. In this market, you will likely have to write an offer with few or no conditions, so you should know your maximum budget and you should be prepared to pay over the asking price. This means you must be flexible and decisive. Many of the best homes on the market may be snatched up within a few days or less. In some cases, you may fall in love with a house only to find out that it's already under contract with another buyer. When involved in a bidding war, trust your real estate agent to help you create an offer that the buyer will accept. Don't focus specifically on the asking price. Naturally, if you're buying a home, you would prefer to negotiate and pay a price that is below the asking price. However, in this market, the asking price is becoming irrelevant more and more every day. Many agents intentionally price the home well below market value to drive traffic and spark a bidding war. And honestly, sometimes it is necessary to have a low asking price, specifically because more and more people are expecting to pay so much more than asking. So when you focus on the asking price, the process can become discouraging. Instead, you need to team up with your realtor and focus specifically on the homes that have an average sale price that is in line with your budget limitations. That is the recipe for success. Be ready to try and try again. The current market is extremely competitive. Many buyers put in offers on several homes before they get an accepted offer. While losing your dream home is definitely disappointing, there will always be another house. So exercise patience and persistence and be ready to act when the next perfect house comes along. While it can be tricky to find the right home in a hot market like Cambridge, Ontario, or other markets that people are experiencing right now, if you put these tips into action, I have no doubt that you'll be successful. And if you want to know more about how Dewar Realty can help you, just click on the link in the description or shoot us a comment below and we'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you next week.